Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
Our group captain BS Philora ex IAF sir, please. Indian Air Force, thank you so much for being here, sir. Please, can we have your words?
Young bloods of Hyderabad and I should say of India. This is what I am remembering my days in the early days when we joined the Indian Air Force way back in July 75. And since then, I had served in the Air Force for more than 35 years. And I have the occasion to serve in almost all weapon systems of the Indian Air Force at that time. And also, I had the privilege to retire from the College of Defense Management, which is one of the very prestigious tri-services institution, where I was directing staff, and I could come in contact with more than 500 to 600 officers of Indian Army Armed Forces, I should say, all the segment of the armed forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, even foreign countries also. And after this, I retired from there and I joined the Indian, one of the very prestigious colleges of Institution of Engineers, where I was selected as a fellow of Institution of Engineers. And this engineering staff college was basically meant for giving experiential training to the young officers from the Indian Armed Forces and senior people, as well as general managers, senior managers, and scientists from DRDO, ISROs, and all these to come to us for training purposes. On this cycle day, I remembering my school days. I have a great association with the cycle. Ever since I was in class 4, I started using cycle, and since my college, which was more than 10 kilometers, I used to cycle. So almost those many years I have done cycling, and when we joined Air Force, cycle was the main way of communication, because that time the scooters, cars, and all these luxuries was not there. We had that cycles which was called racing cycle, and those days in Calcutta we were posted, and it was termed as a pilot officer cycles, because those days pilot officer was the first initial starting commissioned officers rank. So I am very thankful to each one of you and the organizers of this particular function, who gave me an opportunity to meet this young blood of India. And I'm really happy that all this young blood is having a lot of enthusiasm and various other aspect which we definitely need in the armed forces. I request you that Indian Armed Force needs such people like you, and you must join Indian Armed Forces. And what you are seeing today in Operation Sindoor, probably it is a culmination of all those things which the Indian Armed Forces are doing. And lastly, my good wishes and God bless. And last but not the least, my senior people and my colleagues over here from all the three services, I am very happy that today Army, Air Force, Navy, and including paramilitary forces and Coast Guard people, they are available here. And we are at one platform, and seeing this young blood over here, the children who are dressed up in and representing all the wings of the armed forces. I am really grateful to these people. They are the actually future of India, and India, with seeing all these people, I think it is in a strong hand. Thanks and God bless.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.